beat the increased corporation tax rise by investing pension contribution to directors. In the UK, businesses can effectively manage the impact of corporation tax rise to 25% on profit over 250,000 a year by increasing pension contribution to directors. These contributions are tax deductible, meaning they reduce the company taxable profit, thereby lowering the overall corporation tax bill. For example, if a company has a profit of 300,000 and makes 50,000 pension contribution to director, the taxable profit is reduced to 250,000. This not only save the companies 12,500 in corporation tax, but also boost the director's retirement savings. Such contributions are particularly tax efficient within the annual allowance, which is 60,000 for the year 23-24 tax year. Directors with higher income should be aware of the taper allowance, which may reduce the limit. Contribution are powerful tool for directors, offering long-term financial security with optimizing tax efficiency. Pension funds are generally inaccessible until the age of 55, rising to 57 in 2028. Therefore, balancing this contribution with the company's cash flow needs is crucial. We have uploaded more than 800 videos in our YouTube channel, subject related to UK startup, business and tax.